Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, thank you for returning. So today I'm going to do these mini twists in my hair. If you like these results, stay tuned and let's get straight into it. So starting off with freshly washed hair and also detangled hair. That was very important. You have to detangle your hair before you do this process. So that's what I'm doing. And now since I just finished washing my hair, all I'm doing is using conditioner just to moisturize it. I use the Manuka honey leave-in from Shea Moisture, and then I detangled my hair again just to make sure, but honestly the comb went through it really well, because like I did say, I did detangle my hair. Also, if you see me looking down and you're probably thinking, why am I laughing to myself? I was actually on FaceTime to somebody. And also throughout this film, if you just see me, I said film, LOL. Throughout this video, if you see me just staring, not directly at the camera, it's because I was watching something. Honestly, this process takes so long, so I needed something to entertain myself. So as you can see me doing, after I moisturize each section and detangle each section more, I just twist it just so I know I've done that section. I did about 4 sections on my head. So now that I've moisturized each section with leave-in, all I'm doing now is kind of sectioning my hair halfway, so like in a horizontal type of way on my head, and then I'm just further detangling that out. Even though it's detangled already, it's just always best to make sure. So now all I'm doing is I am sectioning my hair horizontally in different parts of my head. So oh my gosh, how do I explain this so it makes sense? So okay, you can probably see me here just kind of doing it with my fingers. I'm just sectioning little bits off of my hair. So on the bottom half of my hair, I probably did about 4 sections, and I just keep doing it horizontally just so I can get small thin parts of my hair to be twisted. So each section I'm kind of just horizontally sectioning it off, if that makes sense. I hope it makes sense, but you can probably see what I'm doing. It's not a big lump of hair, so I keep taking small sections and sectioning that bit off. So you can probably see I've got hair at the back and I'm just sectioning a bit off each time. So for my curling cream, what I did was use a curling cream because I feel like it gives you a good hold if I was to ever take it out, which I wasn't, but anyway. And I just used the Cream of Nature curling cream, and then as you can see I used the small hair bands, which I hate usually because they break your hair, but when I take it out I will show you a tip so your hair doesn't break. But anyway, that's besides the point. I used those small hair bands just to keep the style in for longer. But one thing I did notice is because my hair is getting thicker, like now the days have gone on, because I probably had this style on, even though I'm doing this voiceover, I've had this style in my hair for about 2-3 days. The thicker your hair is, I'm not even kidding, it's breaking itself. Since my hair is getting thicker because it is transitioning, the bands are breaking, which is low-key annoying. But that's just besides the point again. I just wanted to let you know, just in case you might have thick hair, you might be wondering if that happens. It does if you have thick hair. So as you can see, I'm twisting my hair, but at the end I twist it more, I twist it further, just to kind of keep the curl pattern at the end so it doesn't undo itself. Basically I kind of do a finger coil at the end. Another 2 things I wanted to mention is that, one, as you can see I'm sectioning my hair off again. What I am doing is kind of making myself little boxes with my fingers, like I'm sectioning it down. So after I do it horizontally, I then go vertically down with my hands just to kind of, you know, section my hair and give my hair some boxes so it has some type of definition to it. And also what I do is that, I'm not sure you might have seen this, but when I'm putting the bands in, I don't put it all the way to the top of my head because I feel like that can cause breakage more. So what I do, I just do it a little bit down, then slide it up, but not to the top still, because I don't want my hair to be damaged. And yeah, as you can see, it's very tiring, so my facial expression really does show it. So when you get to the top half of your hair, this is quite important because you need to know where you want to section your hair so it doesn't look like all higgy haga. So I wanted a middle parting, which is why I then decided to part my hair now so I know how to twist my hair. If you want a side parting, it would work the same way, but when you get to where you want, for example, if you're doing a middle parting or a side parting or whatever it is, from that line you would know where to twist down, because if you just did it all randomly, your twists would just be doing randomness with your hair. It will be just flopping in random directions and it wouldn't look as neat. So I just wanted to show that. And as you can see, I've part my hair and I'm still doing the same thing with the horizontal sectioning. So I'm starting from the back again and doing small sections, and as you can see, this is what I meant by I'm kind of making little boxes with my fingers, so then it has some definition to it. So I just want to mention quickly, as you can see, I'm twisting my hair back, because if I was to twist it forward, to me, especially when I'm at the top part of my hair, it will kind of flop forward and it will look really weird. So when you're doing that, make sure, because you want your hair to go back, that you're twisting it back, and then when it gets to a certain level, then continue twisting it normally. Just a random rant. Is this line of demarcation annoying you? Because it's really, really annoying me. Like, I cannot believe my hair has gone damaged again. It is really, really annoying me. If you feel my pain, just thumbs up this video, because this is really pissing me off. Like, staring at this is really annoying. Okay, back to the video. So here's the part where you can sort out your edges, and you've probably noticed by now, if you've watched my channel for some time, I don't do the whole edges thing, I just put my edges back. And the final step is to put some hair oil in, because I just want to make sure my hair is nice and soft, and also that it's still growing, because like I said, I am transitioning and I need this process to be quick. Quickity quick, quick, quick. And I need my hair to get thicker, and that is really helping that a lot. So this is my hair all done. As you can see, I did a parting in the middle. These things at the side. And yeah, I actually really like the way my hair turned out. But I am actually accessorized my hair, so I'll put in clips and stuff like that. I'm gonna keep this in for about a week or two. It's easy style, so I won't have to do a lot of maintenance. This literally took me about 3-4 hours to do. But since we actually have time, there's really no excuse, but it's a really good style to do. And especially if you want to do protective styles with your own hair. So I realized I didn't do an outro, but hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. It does so much for me. And while you're here anyway, you may as well watch some of my other videos, you know, just because. So if you like this video, please thumbs it up, like, share and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Adios!